Okay. So now this is the practice paper as I have shared the pattern. So this is what is on the basis of the expectation we have created. So let's start. Question number 1. He said to me, can you do these sums for me? Yes. So he asked me. Now I have already told you that can will be converted into could. So option number B and C you can easily eliminate. He asked me, could if I, क्योंकि question है, so we have to use this is a yes no question. Yes no question में we can use if या whether. So if के साथ दिया हुआ है तो if I could, तो A और D में से करेक्ट ऑप्शन क्या होगा? A, because these will be converted into those. Okay, so A is the correct answer. Okay, second is, she said I have baked a cake. Yes. So now the reporting verb is in the past tense. So you have to change all the present tenses into the respective past tenses. क्या हो जाएगा? Yes. So she said that she had baked a cake. Option number B is the correct answer. Third, wild goose chase. So this is a proverb or an idiom. You have to find out the correct meaning. Wild goose chase, basically wild goose chase means a foolish or hopeless search for something which is not attainable. तो किसी ऐसी चीज़ के पीछे भागना जो एक्चुअली अटेनेबल नहीं हो या फ़ायदेमंद नहीं हो, तो उस को देखते हुए गूज इज़ अ बर्ड एंड चेज इज़ उसके पीछे. सो दिस इज डी, अनप्रॉफिटेबल. Fourth is, you have to tell the synonym for this word. Manipulate. Manipulate माने, this is easy. Manipulate is to, yes. I am seeing only few answers. What about others? No, manipulation is to handle or to manage. किसी चीज को change करना, manage करना, control करना is manipulation. So option number C is the correct answer. Fifth is the opposite. Adulation. What is the correct answer? No, don't like get confused. Adulation को adult से compare मत करिए. Adulation का मतलब होता है बहुत ज़्यादा तारीफ करना किसी की. Admiration or praising somebody or something like anything. ठीक है? So the opposite will be criticism. Yes. Criticism, yeah. Flattery is the correct word for adulation, and criticism will be the opposite. Now 6th and 7th are the spotting the error questions. You need to find out the part of the sentence which has some error. That error may pertain to any of the grammar rules. कोई भी हो सकता है. So for 6th, what is the correct answer? Yeah, 6th is correct. None of us no दिया हुआ है, which is the wrong answer. So option number B is the wrong portion or the portion which contains error. इसका correct answer will be no की जगह क्या होना चाहिए? Knows. No, it should not be knew. It is knows. Why? Because whenever we are using none of, one of, इसके साथ हम क्या यूज करते हैं? सिंगुलर वर्ब. So singular verb will be knows, not know. Seventh is a very easy one. Yes, so since we are talking about incentive scheme for all, so it should be employees. It is not employee. ठीक है? 8th, 9th, 10th is related to fact, inference, judgment, which is FIJ. आपकी, I hope it has been covered in your section. So first one, and it's very easy also. Even if it has not been covered, you can easily make out. So 8th is fact, 9th is, yes, it is inference, and 10th is correct, judgment. Yes. Now this is about RC. This RC is this much only. So I'm giving you 5 minutes. Quickly, 5 minutes in total, I mean, because exam maybe you can't devote more than that to an RC. So इतना ही छोटा RC है, इसके साथ there are 5 questions. So quickly 3 minutes में read out all the questions, and this is a direct RC, and this kind of direct RCs are going to come in the exam. बहुत ज़्यादा difficult level of difficulty will not be high. So start reading. Okay, so let's discuss the passage. With Lok Sabha Speaker Purno Sangma, ये पुराना passage है, so पुराने speaker हैं. Abolishing the discretionary quota for gas and telephone connections enjoyed by members of Parliament last week. Demands are being made for doing away with the same privilege for union ministers. So this is about the discretionary quota of the MPs and for union ministers, which actually means that they are using their discretion, अपनी मर्जी से वो उनको जो कोटा मिला हुआ है उसको वो यूज कर रहे हैं. And how they are using, that is given in the passages here. Imposing a fine of rupees 50 lakh on former petroleum minister Satish Sharma for arbitrarily allotting petrol pumps. So arbitrarily allotting basically means randomly allotting, and without any system, without any following any rules or regulations, they are allotting it to preferably to their known people. Supreme Court had said last year that absolute discretion was an anathema to the constitution. So if they, it means that if the people are, these ministers are given discretion in this kind of allotment, then it is an anathema, which means kind of curse, abhishap जैसे आप बोलते हो, constitution के against होगा, abhishap होगा, and hence the Supreme Court has advised the judicious use of discretionary powers, citing the use of so-called privileges as prejudicial to public interest and breach of trust. H.D. Shourie of Common Cause has sought the Prime Minister's intervention. So he has been asking for the Prime Minister's intervention and said that we should stop this practice of discretionary quota for ministers. And in a letter written to Cabinet Secretary, he has drawn the PM's attention to the misuse of this privilege by more than a dozen ministers. And in railways, discretionary quota covers stalls, passes, tickets, berths, and in civil aviation and tourism, it includes free international air tickets, out of turn seats, and stalls. Okay, so now what is the first answer? 11th. So basically the tone of the speaker in the passage is okay. What about others? टोन का मतलब होता है स्पीकर एक्चुअली क्या बोलना चाहता है फ्रॉम द पैसेज. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर जो स्पीकर की टोन है दैट इज डिसिप्लिनेरियन, बिकॉज ई इज द करेक्ट आंसर, बिकॉज द स्पीकर एक्चुअली कंसर्न तो है, बट व्हाट ही इज ट्राइंग टू से इज दैट वी शुड follow our discipline, because otherwise if there is no discipline on the union ministers or on the MPs, they are actually misusing their powers. ठीक है, सो डिसिप्लिनेरियन टोन है ऑथर की. 12th is that this line has been said by somebody, and who is that somebody? He refers to, किसके लिए बोला गया है he? Yes, he refers to H.D. Shorey. Correct. 13th, union minister has not got the power of the correct answer is option number E, because union minister has not got the powers. Otherwise, they have got the powers to allocate petrol pumps, stalls, berths, connections. Okay, they don't have the power or the authority to allot the shops in the market. So E is the correct answer. What did the Supreme Court suggest? What did the Supreme Court suggest? Yes, fair use of quota. So actually they are not saying that full powers will be taken off or taken back. What they are trying to say is that whatever powers have been given to the ministers or the MPs, they should be using it fairly. And 15th is prejudicial to public interest and breach of trust. So prejudicial means, prejudice basically means biasness or discrimination. तो अगर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन हो रहा है लोगों के लिए या बायसनेस हो रही है, वाई बायसनेस? बिकॉज देयर मनी इज गोइंग इनटू द हैंड्स ऑफ फ्यू इलीट पीपल. इलीट पीपल इन द सेंस जो नेताओं के जानने वाले हैं, मिनिस्टर्स के नोन हैं, उनको तो सब कुछ अलोकेट हो रहा है at the cost of public money. Okay, so prejudicial to public interest and breach of trust का मतलब है it is harmful. Prejudicial means it is harmful for the public. E is the correct answer. Okay. Okay, so let's discuss it. So this is a passage which is about disinvestment. So it is basically from those days, 90s, when we were like the government has started up with the disinvestment. So the first report presented by Disinvestment Commission has all ingredients of a well-researched policy, but its recommendations will be of little relief to the cash-starved government in mobilizing additional resources from the selling of equity shares of public sector enterprises. So actually the government was selling the shares of public sector enterprises, PSUs, or also known as PSEs, in order to generate funds, and that this process is known as disinvestment, because government owns all the equity. पूरा का पूरा शेयर होल्डिंग गवर्नमेंट के पास होता है PSUs का. So उसमें से when they are selling some of the shares of especially from the profitable PSEs, तो उस चीज़ को हम डिसइन्वेस्टमेंट बोलते हैं. ठीक है, सो यही बोला हुआ है इस लाइन में भी. It has been stipulated that amount thus collected could be utilized for turning around the loss-making units and restructuring the marginally profit-making undertakings. So basically, the purpose of creating this fund, which is national renewal fund के साथ जो रहेगा disinvestment fund वाला, that will actually revive the loss making units, और जो बाकी marginally profitable undertakings हैं उनको restructuring करेगा. ठीक है, restructuring करेगा मतलब एक तरह से उनको वापस लाएगा, revive करेगा. This will reduce the budgetary support to loss-making PSCs while ensuring that they do not face closure. So actually budgetary support means government is allocating budget which is around 2200 crores which is given, and what is the purpose of allocation of this kind of budget? Because जो बंद होने वाली हैं लॉस मेकिंग PSCs उनको बंद होने से रोका जाए. So इसीलिए यूनाइटेड फ्रंट रिजीम में ये प्रॉब्लम थी, बिकॉज इतना ज़्यादा बजट एलोकेट करा गया था एंड दिस वाज नॉट लाइक accepted by other parties which were the supporting parties like left etc. So they were continuously forcing the government to go for some other strategy. So what the strategy, what was the new strategy that was devised was the disinvestment of these PSUs, जिसकी वजह से फंड्स क्रिएट हो और जो लॉस मेकिंग PSCs हैं वो रिवाइव हो पाए. So 16th, what is the answer? Commission has proposed the setting up of disinvestment fund constituted from yes, D is the correct answer. Selling of equity of profitable PSCs, public sector undertakings or public sector enterprises. Why could the government not restructure the loss making PSCs? क्यों नहीं कर पा रही थी गवर्नमेंट? This is very easy, very direct kind of passage, and this is the kind of passage which you are going to get in your exam. Yes, C is the correct answer, because the government was compelled by left parties not to take a hard step, which is given in the last few lines, 2-3 lines, last second last line में दिया हुआ है passage में. In the last sentence, rule out means, rule out का मतलब क्या होता है? It's also very easy. Yes. No, it will not be C. Yes, it is A. Rule out means exclude as a possibility. रूल आउट कर देना मतलब उसको अपने डिसीजन से निकाल देना, पॉसिबिलिटी से निकाल देना. गवर्नमेंट इज स्पेंडिंग ₹2200 crores फॉर this is also very easy. This is B. एलिंग PSCs. एलिंग मतलब जो बीमार हैं, जो बिल्कुल मरी जा रही हैं. ठीक है, सो एलमेंट का मतलब क्या होता है? बीमारी, डिजीज. एलिंग PSCs मतलब बीमार लॉस मेकिंग PSCs को बचाने के लिए गवर्नमेंट जो है वो इतना स्पेंड कर रही थी, उसने एलोकेट किया था, जो कि लेफ्ट पार्टीज को नहीं एक्सेप्टेबल था. एंड 20th, व्हाट वाज द डिसइन्वेस्टमेंट कमिटीज एडवाइस? क्या एडवाइस किया गया इस पूरे सिचुएशन के लिए? व्हाट वाज द एडवाइस? कम ऑन, दिस इज इजी. Yes, both A and C, that they should arrange extra money from selling of equity shares and they should set up a national renewal fund for that purpose. So, yes, Shresht, okay. Yes. So D, A, B, C is the correct answer for 21st. 22nd, ऑप्शन नंबर सी करेक्ट है 21st में. In traditional patriarchal societies, culturally uh, constructed role for women places them in domestic sphere and prevents them from undertaking socio-economic and political activities designated for men. 22nd is yes. तो बहुत easy है. Be fast. B, A, C, D is the correct answer. Yes, because the Prime Minister in recent television interview misleadingly claimed that an independent agency found that 70 lakh employees EPFO accounts were opened for the persons aged 18 to 25 years. And 23rd is yes, A, C, B, D is the correct answer. Surging pricing, then we have followed when the demand for product exceeds its supply and strategy of taking advantage of low price elasticity of demand during peak or rush times. Now I have before you the close test, which is on the basis of prepositions that we have covered in the classes of prepositions. Now this is these are more than 7 options given, and there are 7 blanks, so you have to pick and choose and fill the blanks. जो एग्ज़ाम है, एग्ज़ाम में प्रॉबेबली आपका ऐसे भी आ सकता है कि एक जैसे 24th में जो ब्लैंक है उसके लिए आपको अलग से 3-4 ऑप्शंस गिवन. ठीक है, सो दैट आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट, बट येस चॉइस विल बी देयर. तो आप इनमें से यू हैव टू फिल द राइट आंसर. ओके, सो जस्ट टेक योर टाइम and tell me the correct answers. Okay, so first is this has been taken from Alice in Wonderland, जो excerpt है उससे लिया गया है. Alice in Wonderland के adventure जो book है उससे. Suddenly she came upon a little 3-leg table, all made of solid glass. Okay, so of will be used here because we are talking about the how it was made. तो how के लिए भी we use of manner है preposition. There was nothing on it except a tiny golden key, and Alice's first thought that it might belong to. Yes, so we always use to with belong. We have already discussed this. One of the doors of the hall, but alas, either the locks were too large or the key was too small. But at any rate, it would not open any one of them. However, on the second time round, she came upon a low curtain she had not noticed. 26th will be yes, before, जो उसने पहले नहीं देखा था. So she came upon a low curtain she had not noticed before, and behind it was a little door about 15 inches. She tried the little golden key in the lock, and to her great delight, it fitted. Alice opened the door and found that it led into a small passage, not much larger than a rat hole. She knelt down and looked. What will be the answer? Yes, so 27th will be she knelt down and looked along the passage is the correct answer, because passage is a path. So for paths, for roads, etc., we use along. So and looked along the passage into the loveliest garden you ever saw. How she longed to get blank that dark I think we'll have to end here क्योंकि yeah, so she longed to get out of that dark hall. थोड़ा जल्दी में हो रहा है. Out of is the correct answer. And wander about blank those beds of bright flowers. 29th is among. Yes, very good. So among those beds of bright flowers, and those among का मतलब होता है उनमें से, है ना? So उन flowers के beds में से, but she could not even get her head blank the doorway. So it will be through the doorway. Yes, but she could not get even get her head through the doorway. मैंने बताया था through का मतलब होता है एक तरफ से दूसरी तरफ, in a closed space. And even if my head would go through, thought Alice, it would be very little use without my shoulders. Okay, so okay, fine, you will leave. You'll have a next class. Thank you. All the best for your exam.